This video illustrates the main properties of HP Labs multi-directional backlight. It is extremely compact, fits in a millimeter piece of glass in this case. It can be made completely transparent. It shows spatial multiplexing of colors and a very wide view angle. And past the view angle, the image simply disappears. This next sequence shows the fully assembled demo prototype with a very compact illumination system. And you can see that we can either do a full color, a static image, such as this little battery indicator prototype on the left, or if we so choose, we can also create very basic animated sequences of 3D images without the need for any modulator, just by turning on and off a bunch of LEDs.